So one day Sadie and Gohill buy petrol and oil from the same petrol station. Sadie buys 30 litres of petrol and 4 litres of oil and it pays a total of £46. And Gohill buys 24 litres of petrol, 8 litres of oil and pays £45.20. Find the cost of 1 litre of petrol and the cost of 1 litre of oil. So this is actually a simultaneous equation question. And if we say that petrol can be represented by the letter X and oil by the letter Y, we can write out an equation that says 30x plus 4y has to equal £46. And from Gohill's purchase, 24x plus 8y will equal £45.20. Now, in order to eliminate one of these variables, we need the same number of either x's or y's. So I'm going to double the first equation so that I get 8y. And so I'm just going to show the examiner that this one has been multiplied by 2, and we're going to get 60x plus 8y, and that equals 46 doubled will be 92. Now we can line up the second equation underneath and subtract, and this will get rid of the y's because there's 8 of them. So that's 45.2. And if we subtract those, 20x subtract 24x will give us 36x, and that is equal to the difference of £92 take away £45.20. Now it is a calculator paper, so I wouldn't suggest doing this in your head. You're using your calculator to make sure that there's no mistakes made. We find that 36x is £46.80. And you've already got 2 marks here. 1 mark is given for setting up an equation and noting that it's a hidden simultaneous equation. Your second mark is for a correct process to eliminate a number, and you actually get a mark for correctly dividing by 36 here to find out the value of 1x. So if we divide that by 36, we'll get £1.30. So we know that 1 litre of petrol costs £1.30. Now we need to find the price of oil. So far you've got 3 marks. To get the 4th mark, you now need to substitute that into one of the equations. So I'm going to do the first equation, 30 times 1.3 plus 4y equals 46. And 30 times 1.3 gives us 39. So if I subtract 39 from both sides, I'll get 4y is equal to 46 subtract 39 is 7. And I'm just going to move this up a little bit so we've got a bit more room. Y therefore is equal to 7 divided by 4, which is going to be £1.75. And we divide it by 4 there. That's a little bit messy. If you had more space there, you'd want to be shown that's underneath. And then your final answer, which you'd write underneath, would be petrol is £1.30 and the oil is £1.75. Always a good idea to box off your answer for the examiner at the end of the question. And that's a 5-mark question completed.